Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet some chains. So as you can see here, I've got a couple chains on my hook. So we're going to start off with a slip knot. I'm using size 4 green yarn and a 3.0 hook. So after we've got our slip knot on our hook, we can start creating chains. To do this, we simply yarn over our hook and pull that yarn over through the loop on our hook. So if we do that a few times, you can see we end up with 3 chains. And it actually looks like a little braid. We can keep on going along and making more chains until we have the right amount of chains for your project. And there you go, you've created your chains, and now you can start working on your new project. Thanks so much for watching.